Hello everyone, welcome to another math online lesson. Our lesson for today is about exterior angle inequality theorem. Let's define the theorem first. Exterior angle inequality theorem states that the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of either the remote interior angles. Now take a look at this illustration. I have here a triangle, and if you extend one side of this triangle, you can have your exterior angle, right? Now, the exterior angle inequality theorem, based on its definition, that this angle, angle 1, should be greater than the remote interior angle, which is angle A and angle C. Okay, so angle 1 will be our exterior angle, and angle A and C will be our remote interior angles. Angle B here will be the adjacent angle to angle 1. So the angle inequality theorem states that angle 1 is greater than angle A, and also angle 1 is greater than angle C. This is based on the exterior angle inequality theorem. Now we also have this statement based on the exterior angle theorem. Okay, take note. This is different from the exterior angle inequality theorem. I'm referring to the exterior angle theorem, which states that angle A plus angle C is equal to angle 1. Again, the exterior angle theorem states that the sum of the remote interior angle, which is angle A and angle C, is equal to the exterior angle 1. So how do we prove that angle A, or the sum of angle A and angle C, is equal to the exterior angle 1 here? Now, we all know that the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, right? And here, angle B, which is adjacent to angle 1, our exterior angle, is also 180 degrees, correct? So for example, if I have a value here of 30 and this one is 60, so my angle B here will be equal to 90, right? So I have 30 plus 60, 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. And of course, since angle B is adjacent to angle 1, then they are supplementary angle. Therefore, my angle 1 will also be equal to 90 degrees. Now, based on this statement here in exterior angle theorem, that the sum of the remote interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. So if my angle A is 30 plus my angle C is equal to 60, 30 plus 60 is equal to 90, which is our exterior angle. Okay, so please don't be confused on this one. Our topic is mainly on the exterior angle inequality theorem only, which states that, again, exterior angle is greater than the remote interior angle. So angle 1 is greater than angle A, and angle 1 is also greater than angle C. Now, how do we prove this theorem? So say, for example, here, I have an illustration. We need to prove that angle 1 is greater than angle 3. Sir, there's no need to prove because obviously angle 1 is an obtuse angle and angle 3 is an acute angle. Yes, it's correct. But take a look at this illustration. Did you see any measurement or actual measurement of each angle? Except for the type of angle that you see in the illustration. No, right? There's no given measurement. So it's possible that this line is here, which conclude that angle 3 is not an acute angle, correct? So how do we prove an illustration given only the label of each angle? So this is how we prove this illustration that angle 1 is greater than angle 3 without any given measure. So we'll use the table of statements here. Now how do we prove this one? Since we have two triangles here, proving this illustration, we need to dissect these triangles into smaller parts. Okay, so let's take this small triangle first here. Okay, now in this triangle, angle 1 is our exterior angle. And based on the exterior angle inequality theorem, angle 1 is greater than angle 2, which is one of the remote interior angle. And our reason here is based on the exterior inequality theorem. Now, since we already proved that angle 1 is greater than angle 2, let's take this bigger triangle now. Now, in this next triangle, as you can see, angle 2 becomes the exterior angle, correct? So we can say here in our statement that angle 2 is greater than angle 3 because angle 2 is now the exterior angle and angle 3 becomes the one of the remote interior angle in this triangle. And for the reason that it's based on the exterior inequality theorem. Now, based on these two statements, we can now conclude that angle 1 is greater than angle 3. And it's based on the property of inequality. So I hope you learned something today and see you on my next online lesson.